Introducing the automatic mattress roll pack machine by Multipro. Welcome to a smarter, faster way of packing mattresses, designed to save space, save time, and boost your production efficiency. You can easily adjust the platform to match the height of any mattress, ensuring smooth handling and perfect alignment every time. You can see that the mattress is being rolled uniformly without any hard effort. Manually rolling a mattress is almost impossible because it requires heavy force, more manpower, and still never shrinks as neatly. With this machine, the entire process becomes smooth, effortless, and perfectly compressed every time. Now the mattress is almost fully packed, but if you prefer extra protection, you can simply run the machine for a few more seconds. This adds an additional wrapping layer, giving your mattress even better safety and a more secure finish. Now carefully cut the extra wrapping material to detach the mattress from the roll. Once that is done, simply open the locking door and gently slide the mattress out of the machine. The entire process is smooth, safe, and effortless, making your packing workflow much faster. Now operate the machine to lower the platform and gently release the mattress. You can see how smoothly and quickly the machine pushes the mattress out from the rod. There's no struggle, no manual effort, just a clean, controlled movement that keeps the mattress perfectly rolled and protected as it comes out. Global logistics at your fingertips. With 24/7 support, a 1-year warranty, and 5-star Google ratings, we deliver excellence worldwide. Don't wait. Call us at +91 72020 21999. Email sales@multipromachines.com or visit www.multipromachines.com.